Hi, I'm Gail Hulnick, and this is the Rumble Strip Travel TV channel. Welcome. And on the other side of the camera is David, my favorite driver and co-pilot on this journey. Now, on this channel, if you come to take a look, you're going to find nature, as I'm standing here in the Pacific Northwest, as well as many other scenes from places we've been throughout our travels. We have driven across the United States half a dozen times, north to south, that's east to west, north to south, another half dozen, maybe even a dozen times, across Canada, across many European countries, and I have thousands, literally, I've got 15 or 16,000 videos and photos that I want to share with you. Now, I'm no travel guide, I'm not a tour guide. You won't find lots of practical, efficient information. You'll just find snapshots and videos here and there of places that I'd like to share with you, a glimpse of a place. I'd like to put you in the driver's seat. I have a driver in the driver's seat. Put you in the passenger seat with us and share with us what we've seen. So come along if you'd like. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell so that you'll get a notification. If you also choose all, you'll get notifications of whenever there is something new. So please do come along with me on the Rumble Strip Travel TV channel.